Morning, everybody. I'm Pete Kleinjohn with Tiger29, and this is Sarai. And we love to do search engine optimization and generative optimization. Search engine optimization is SEO, generative optimization is GEO, and it's about getting visibility on Google and platforms like Google AI Overviews and ChatGPT. Today, we are talking about small business optimization, and we're talking specifically about auto repair shops. And so, Sarai, what do you have to say about auto repair shops and SEO and GEO?
Well, actually, I'm not Sarai today. I'm Bob. I have 43 years old. I have two employees, and I'm owner of an auto repair shop. Actually, Pete, I bring some questions to you about related to SEO and GEO. Because I need to have more visibility and clients coming to my store, but I don't know how to, take advantage of Google to make that. So my first question to you, Pete, is should I pay for a software to manage all my listings?
So if you don't know how to do SEO and GEO, the right kind of software isn't going to help. And so some of the best software tools out there are actually free. Things like Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Bing Webmaster Tools, Microsoft Clarity. Those are all free tools, and they're a great way for a small business owner to get started if they want to get going with SEO. Those are the first things that we do when we get a new client in the auto repair industry.
Okay, but like my store, it's about auto repair. So of course I need people that use cars, but usually all of those people are driving. So how can I make sure my shop is showing up in Google Maps when people are driving near my store?
So basically, if you want people to know about you when they're around your area or near your store, you got to make sure that Google and ChatGPT know about your auto repair shop too. And so, really, that's what search engine optimization and generative optimization are about: is getting your business on the radar of Google and ChatGPT, and then building authority, relevance, and trust, so that when people search for auto repair shop near me, you're in that conversation. Hopefully you have some reviews and you're getting those phone calls because of that visibility.
I saw the other day a video that you post about reviews and how handle the negative reviews and all of that. But to be honest, I hate the negative reviews in my website. How I push down those negative reviews that I think are hurting my business.
So just about any small business owner and in auto repair shops, it's pretty common that you're going to have a disgruntled or an unhappy customer once in a while. And they say, well, can we get that review taken down? Getting reviews taken down can be a real challenge. And so what we encourage auto repair shop owners to do is try not to stress out about that negative review that you get once in a while. Keep asking your best customers who've had a great experience with you, ask them for a review. And then that bad review is going to get pushed down. It's going to become less prominent, and people probably won't even notice it.
And the other day, I saw also a video that you post about the app that is name, address, and phone number, and you clarified that it's important to have it like in the correct way and the same information everywhere. But I don't know how can I make sure that my information it's always correct online.
So I think the question to ask is, why do we want our information to be correct online? And the reason that we want it to be correct online is because Google and ChatGPT are going to find that information. The more of that information that lines up, the better they're going to place you in search results and in the generative engine results. And so what we do at Tiger 29 is we have a product called Digital Location Management, which is going to help with about 50 or 60 of those prominent websites. When you sign up for Digital Location Management, we start to manage those profiles for you, and we get a better outcome from that on organic search and in ChatGPT.
Awesome. But Pete, I think all of this that you said it's really important. But for to be honest with you, I always have to compete in prices, and I'm tired of that because I offer another services too, like transmission, AC repair, and all of that. So how can I highlight my specialties like transmission or change oil or classic cars so I don't compete just in prices?
So you don't need to cut your prices to attract customers who are searching on Google and ChatGPT. What you need to do is be visible to those people and then have good reviews so that people are confident that when they bring their car to your shop for that transmission repair or that auto repair work, They know that you do a good job. You want the people who are willing to pay a premium price for premium service. And you do that by getting in front of the right people when they're searching on Google and ChatGPT.
Okay, I have another question to you, Pete, and it's do I really need SEO to rely on repeat customers?
So, one of the great things about auto repair is if you do a good job, people keep coming back to your shop. If you do a good job, they recommend you to their friends and neighbors and family. That's awesome, but it's not a strong business growth strategy. It's very slow, and you probably gain customers about as fast as you lose them. If you want business growth, you need to do additional marketing. And so, search engine optimization and generative optimization are really awesome for driving business growth because when people go to Google and search for auto repair near me or transmission repair near me, they are at a point of need. They're not kind of curious. They're not interested in auto repair or whatever. They have a need for auto repair. If you show up in that mix, you start to get more new customers. And like I said, if you take care of customers, your new customers are going to stay with you. And all of a sudden, it becomes a snowball effect where you're keeping those current customers, getting the referrals, and also an injection of new customers who have never heard about you and they don't know anybody that has heard about you.
Awesome. And my last question to you, Pete, is to be honest, I heard a little bit of SEO before, but this doesn't entirely convince me because I don't know how long before SEO change actually get attract more clients to me. Like how long it will take to attract like more customers using SEO for an auto repair.
So I think, again, asking how long SEO takes is a little bit of the wrong question. I think the right question is when I have good SEO, what happens? And basically, when you have good SEO, it starts to become that snowball effect rolling down a hill where month one, maybe you get one extra phone call. Month two, maybe you get two. Month three, you get three. Month four, you get four. And what happens is you don't even really notice the growth. It's very natural in your business. And one day you realize, hey, I'm really busy. I need to hire another technician, or I'm really busy. I need to hire another service manager. And it sneaks up on you with SEO, as opposed to one of the worst things that can happen to an auto repair shop is you hit lightning in a bottle and you get 50 phone calls tomorrow and you get 50 phone calls the next day and you get 50 phone calls the next day when you're not used to that volume. And what happens is it kind of can wreck a business because all of a sudden you don't take care of customers as well anymore. All of a sudden your staff is pulling their hair out because they're having to work extra time or they got upset customers or whatever. And so search engine optimization is great because the momentum builds over time and you can change your operations as that momentum builds so that you're able to handle that new volume.
Awesome. Thank you, Pete, to share all of this information with me.
Yeah, and so that's SEO and GEO for auto repair shops. If you'd like to hear more, you can give us a like or a follow. We're on all the social media channels: Pete Kleinjohn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of them. And give us a like or follow. We'd love to hear comments or any feedback that you have for us. And if you want real SEO,
And real results, you can find us here. Thank you.